Yo, what's up everybody? It's Jamil. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into smart home tech that makes life easier without breaking the bank. We've got 5 incredible finds for coffee lovers, culinary enthusiasts, and those who want that perfectly crisp shirt. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one because we've got some seriously impressive tech lined up. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting out, get ready to upgrade your living space without emptying your wallet. Let's get right into it. First up, a game changer for all the coffee addicts out there, the Brew portable coffee machine. This compact beast is designed for both your car and your home, giving you that perfect espresso shot no matter where you are. Whether you're an espresso fanatic, a Dolce Gusto devotee, or prefer the classic ground coffee experience, this machine has got you covered. It's like having a full-fledged coffee shop right at your fingertips. Now let's talk about price. This bad boy is usually priced at $165.53, which is already a steal. But hold on, because it gets even better. For a limited time, you can snag this incredible coffee companion for just $74.12. That's right, you heard it here first. I'll drop a link down below so you can check it out for yourselves. Alright coffee lovers, we know a great espresso starts with perfectly ground beans. And for that, you need the Winkel electric Burr coffee grinder. This isn't your average blade grinder. We're talking 28 precise grind settings, from coarse grinds for your French press to a superfine powder for your espresso. It's like having a professional barista living in your kitchen. And the best part? This thing is built like a tank. You can feel the quality in every detail. This beast of a grinder, which normally sets you back $104.19, is now available for just $32.30. Yeah, you heard that right. So, if you're serious about your coffee game, jump on this deal right now. Links in the description. Next up, we're taking our coffee adventures on the road with this wireless portable espresso machine. This thing is the ultimate companion for any coffee lover who's always on the move. Imagine this. You're camping in the middle of nowhere, the sun's rising, and boom! You pull out this compact powerhouse and brew yourself a delicious espresso. This 3-in-1 machine handles capsules, ground coffee, you name it. It's like having a mini coffee shop packed neatly in your backpack. It's designed for life on the go, and for a limited time, you can grab this adventure-ready coffee companion for just $27.50, down from its original price of $88.72. Don't miss out. Alright, let's switch gears now from coffee to cuisine with the Winkel Su Vide cooker. For those unfamiliar with Sous Vide, it's a game changer in the kitchen, and this device makes it incredibly easy and accessible to anyone. We're talking restaurant quality results, perfectly cooked steaks, juicy chicken, and vibrant vegetables, all at the touch of a button. This thing is precision cooking at its finest, and with its sleek LCD touch display and IPX7 waterproof rating, it's as intuitive as it is durable. This Sous Vide cooker delivers consistently perfect results every single time. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for those who struggle to boil water. This culinary powerhouse, usually priced at $138.01, is available right now for just $41.19. Don't miss this deal. Last but not least, let's talk about looking sharp with the Xiaomi Mijia handheld garment steamer. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to crisp, fresh clothes in an instant. This thing is a lifesaver, especially when you're short on time or traveling. It heats up in seconds, blasting away wrinkles and refreshing your clothes with ease. It's like having a mini dry cleaner right in your hand. And the best part? It's not just for clothes. You can use this on curtains, upholstery, even delicate fabrics without worry. It's incredibly versatile and safe to use on a wide range of materials. This handheld wonder, usually priced at $67.80, is now available for just $27.13. That's less than a fancy cup of coffee for wrinkle-free clothes. So there you have it, guys. 5 must-have smart home gadgets that won't break the bank. From brewing the perfect cup of coffee, to achieving culinary excellence, and even keeping your clothes looking sharp, we've got you covered. Remember to check out the links in the description below to grab these amazing deals before they're gone. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about and why. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future tech reviews and awesome deals. Peace out.